Hi there, I'm Manjula from IELTS.lk. In today's lesson, I'm going to talk about one of the most common grammar mistakes in English language. I know a lot of my students get definitely confused with prepositions, especially the tests like IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, and day-to-day practices. When it comes to the IELTS test, TOEFL or PTE, you have to be very careful because these mistakes will definitely lead to cut off some marks. So let me start like this. A lot of people would say, I saw you in the picture, and some people would say, I saw you on the picture. Again, I saw you in the picture. I saw you on the picture. I'm sure you probably get confused which one to use. But don't worry. This is super simple if you know the theory of prepositions. So in today's lesson, I'll teach you how to understand the prepositions of in and on with reference to the picture. We use in the picture to talk about the people or things shown when a photograph is taken. Usually, people who are shown in the photograph, portrait, drawing, or other picture. If you would say someone or something is in the picture, which means it is a picture of that person or thing. Let me give you some example. There were two people in the picture on the wall, which means two people are pictured or it is a picture of two people. Again, there were two people in the picture on the wall. I saw your father in the picture, which means it is a picture of your father. Again, I saw your father in the picture. Who is the person next to you in the picture? Which means who was next to you when the picture was taken. Finally, here is a picture from my party. My sister was there, but she is not in the picture. Which means my sister did not have her picture taken at the party or she is not shown. Let me give you a smaller test to check your knowledge. Question number 1. The boy in the photo looks sad. Question number 2. The boy on the photo looks sad. So let's think. You can have 5 seconds. So the boy in the photo looks sad is correct. The boy on the photo looks sad is wrong. Next example. Question number 1. There are no trees in the picture. Question number 2. There are no trees on the picture. So let's think. You can have 5 seconds. There are no trees in the picture is correct. There are no trees on the picture is wrong. Now let's move to the next part of the lesson. We only use on when we mean that something is on top of a physical object, which means we use on the picture to talk about something that touching a picture but it is not represented as a part of image. It is not used to talk about who is shown in a photograph. For example, you would say there's a cup on the photo, which means the cup lies on the photo. Again, there is some dirt on the picture, which means the picture has dirt on its surface. However, on can only be used when the thing is part of the top layer of another thing. This can be little confusing for words like postcards. Simply, if you are talking about the picture as a piece of paper, use on, not in, which means there is a house on the postcard is correct. There is a house in the postcard is wrong. The reason is postcard is a piece of paper, not what is printed on it. Similarly, if you saw a picture of a man drawn on an envelope, you wouldn't say that there is a man in an envelope, would you? Answer is no. You would say the man is on the envelope. Alright, as a summary, in this IELTS preparation lesson, what you have discussed about the preposition of in and on with reference to the picture. So in conclusion, we must say, I saw you in the picture, not I saw you on the picture. I hope you got this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, please use the comment section. If you like to see more IELTS preparation videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon where you can have very latest updates. Thank you so much for watching me again. Good luck with your preparation. So hopefully I'll be back with the new lesson soon. Till then, happy learning. Take care.